Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you may be. Welcome to the den. We are doing part 3 of my Golden Girls series. Got the first 2 done. They're looking really good, guys. I'm pretty happy. We're doing B. Arthur today. So, as we know, this is the 3rd round of Perler beads for my Golden Girls project. 3rd stream out of 5. So it'll be the 4 Golden Girls, and the last one will be mounting them on canvas, painting the canvas, doing everything. And by the end of that stream, the entire piece will be done. And then we can move on to the next project, which will be the Beatles. The Beatles will be, I think I'm going to do Paul first. I was honestly thinking about doing Paul last as like the grand finale of the Perlers, but we'll see. We'll see what I decide on. But this is the 3rd day. I have one more after B. Arthur, and that's Estelle Getty, or as we know, Sophia. So again, we're doing this. This was on Tuesday last week. And this was on yesterday. I did this one yesterday. It almost felt so long ago. But they are turning out beautifully. I'm very, very happy with them. So, cool. We're going to go ahead and get going. All right. Again, I'll be working sideways. I think I'm going to start with B's hair this time because there's a lot of easy grays to look at. Once again, I'm doing this picture right up here. I've done Betty White as Rose Nyland. I've done Rue McClanahan as Blanche Devereaux. And now I'm doing B. Arthur as Dorothy Spornak. So yeah, let's get to it. I will have to say, I'm kicking this one's ass. I'm not even at 2 hours yet, and I've already got the top and the bottom done. I'd say that's pretty good. Just need a little bevy break. Some coffee. This is looking beautiful. 24 colors are in this. Isn't that crazy? 24. Yep, I do see one little spot there. I think it's just a gray that I need. Yeah. One little spot right there. I'm pretty happy with this. I'm pretty proud of myself. Let's go ahead and get this taped up. I didn't realize I was touching. Not touchy. Not touchy. All right. I'm going to do my good old stable flip. almost completely. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this under weight for a little bit. That went really well. I damn near hit the goal that I had intended to do today, and that is 3.5 hours. And we're at 3 hours and 37 minutes. That was an amazing build on that. Although she was the hardest one in my opinion. I had to like move rows constantly. But I think the difference with this one is that I was able to spot the mistakes immediately. So I am getting a lot better at doing that. Again, like I said, Lord is my very first portrait. So for that being my first portrait and these being my next set, I'm pretty proud of myself. So I applaud myself. Yay. And now we're gonna do the reveal. You ready, guys? Let's do the reveal. I will continue to put more weight on him, or weight on her. So there we go.